Hello and welcome to BeNaughty.tv. I'm here to explain to you why you should join our fantastic website. Yes, for all you cheeky men out there, we have thousands of fantastic single ladies waiting for you to contact them. Online dating is not just for weirdos. There are loads of hot girls in your area waiting to hear from you. Get signed up and join the fun at BeNaughty.tv. You might not believe it, but there are hundreds of girls in your area looking for some fun. Don't stay in the dark, get online and join in the fun. There's loads of information online about making your winning profile, along with information about making your first move. We specialise in giving you some casual fun. But, however, if you are after a long-term relationship, we also have that catered for. There are hundreds of sexy girls just around the corner from where you live. Angel, 23 from London. She says, I'm quite independent and I don't play along with silly games. I'm strong-minded too, and that is not code for stubborn. I have quite high standards. Feast your eyes on Charlie Baby. She's 27 from Oldham, and she says, I am a girl looking for a young man to have some fun with. Call Geller, 18, is from Newcastle upon Tyne. She is 18 years old, and she says just come and say hi. She's always there for people in trouble and those who are in need of a friend. Cute 3456 is a fun-loving girl looking for a like-minded guy. 24 from Heart, could you be the guy to press her buttons? Say hello to Felicity X. She's 21 from Strood. She's looking to meet a genuine guy to share good times with. She's down to earth and likes doing new things and meeting new people. Have a look at Flex for Me. She's 34 from Dudley and she's looking for a handsome athletic black man. Fungirl 28 from London. She says, I'm fun, flirty and up for a laugh. I'm into sports as a spectator. I love rugby, cricket and loads more. Italian 699 is from Crawley. She says, I'm looking for fun and gorgeous. What else do you need to know? Jackson 31 from Merton says, I am a loving young lady with a good sense of humour. I've never had a problem with people of all walks of life. Have a look at Jolly 69. She is 31 from Ravenscourt Park. She says you get the best out of others when you give the best of yourself. Kitty Cat 71 is 38 from Harrow. She says, I love tattoos, rock music and concerts. She is after someone totally cool who likes the same stuff as I do. Mac Attack 21 from Cambridge. She is looking for a fun relationship. She is deeply spiritual and seeking the ultimate experience. She is also after someone who can make her laugh. So, if you like the look of these girls, or you want to see what other girls we have in store for you, head to BeNaughty.tv and sign up now. Don't forget, full subscription is free for you ladies, so what are you waiting for? Get online to BeNaughty.tv and have some fun.